Hey guys, I am back with another video. Today's video is in collaboration with Alipearl. I have 3 bundles of 26-inch deep wave. This is the hair fresh out of the packaging, and then this is the hair after it's been dyed black and freshly washed and air dried. I've been really sticking to doing my own quick weaves because, for one, I can save money, so I feel less bad when I want to take it out in like a week. But also I am preserving my own edges because every time I get a quick weave, it snatches my edges out. But all I'm doing here is measuring the tracks and then gluing them down. I also protected my mannequin head, so when you do this, you want to make sure that you protect whatever you're using. And this is what I do: shower cap, then the wig cap. So the wig cap that I'm using, I will list that down below because this is the perfect wig cap for you when you want to make your own like wigs and removable quick weaves at home, because one, they're really flat, so when you put it on your head, it's like so smooth. It's mesh, so your hair can still breathe underneath it. And this wig cap, I don't have to cut any excess off. It just fits perfectly. It's easy to sew down again because it's super thin and it's already like mesh and perforated, so the needle goes through it so easily. So these are my favorite, but all I'm doing here is just gluing the tracks. No particular pattern. I'm kind of really just following Ivy's way of her doing her flip over method. So that's all we're doing here. I did end up using every piece of hair. I probably have like a teeny inch left, but I basically used all 3 bundles of the hair. So we're pretty full. So once you get to the top, you kind of start to lay the tracks going side to side. This probably was like the struggle point for me, but once I got it, I got it. So here is the wig. It's still a little damp because I did spray it down after I was done making the wig, but putting it on, super easy. The fit is literally perfect. It fits so good. So here is the hair on me. It's very full. The bundles looked a little small because the hair is much longer, but honestly, I probably didn't even need all 3 bundles. I probably could have got away with 2.5 because it's very full. So here I am just taking out a little bit of my edges because we don't need a lot to blend. And with the hair, the way the wig is made, like you can take out even less than what I took out, but I like for mine to look as natural as possible. So I'm just taking out a little bit, and now I am going to go in with my little mini pencil flat iron. I also have a super skinny wand curler, but I can't use that one without a glove because I am terrified of burning myself. Done it before, don't want to do it again, so I like to not do too much. So I'm just gonna go in with my pencil flat iron and curl my edges. Only been days, but it feel like months. Wake up for a year, only know like once. Life move fast when you do what you want. At this time, doing what I want. Hope you doing what you want. My new bitch look like Alipearl, but she don't love me, she too scary. My old bitch front like Jackie Brown. I wanna know if she too down. Will you be my leading lady? I want a contract, girl, no maybe. In the meantime, it's not for what I want. It's some me time. Hope you know what you want. Crib by the beach like Odell. No, I'm on my killers, don't tell. Shadow my mom, cause I New York the shelf. Now my bitch is to Chanel. Will you be my leading lady? I want a contract, girl, no maybe. In the meantime, it's not going well. It's some me time. I don't know if you know what you want. But it's been a few hours, but it feel like days. Only been days, but it feel like months. Wake up for a year, only know like once. Life move fast and you do what you want. In the meantime, it's not doing what I want. It's some me time.
time. You do what you want. In the meantime, just stop doing what I want. Just some me time. You do what you want. Maybe I don't love myself. I don't know. Leave me here, I'll fuck myself. See me in the mirror, I duck myself. Don't need much, so fuck my wealth.
All right, that was so easy. Here's the blend. Here's what we're looking like. Normally, I would curl my hair and the extensions together, but this time I just wanted to see what it looked like if I only curled my little bit of leave out, and I'm not mad at it. The blend is so seamless. Here, I'm just going to take a little bit of my edges out because y'all know, like, what's a style without a little swoop-de-doop? I always need a little swoop-de-doop, okay? I seen this post where it said, like, it was like TikTok, and this girl's basically saying you can tell how old a woman is by how much edges or how much baby hair or whatever she got left out. Girl, please. Okay? You cannot. And I just need a little bit. I need a little something to make it cute. So I'm also doing the same with my sideburns. Never had to do too much. Okay? So this is the final look. This is probably the easiest style you can do yourself at home. If you don't do nothing, learn how to do your hair. Okay? It will save you money. I would say it would save you time, but it's a process. But do it. I'm satisfied. The hair is so soft. The hair is so beautiful. The hair is so full and thick, and it's just get the deep wave, okay? You can do many things, but get the deep wave hair from Alipearl. So this is it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll be sure to list all of Alipearl's information in the description box for you guys, as well as a direct link to the hair I'm wearing, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.